Good day to you all. Welcome to our first video for FlexiWare, our YouTube channel, where we will be looking at some of our solutions, products, software that we've written over many years. So a quick introduction to FlexiWare. We started off as a consulting firm roughly 25 years ago. We've done many software solutions and was many times contracted primarily for biometric systems, specifically onboarding stations and so forth, and workflow solutions into Africa for elections. We've established a strong footprint where our software has been used in roughly 8 countries in Africa for election purposes, and also in our neighboring countries such as Eswatini, or better known as Swaziland, and some of our clients in South Africa. We are very proud of the software we've built, and we hope that we can show you a bit more about all those software products and how it is being used in these various videos. We will specifically talk a lot about fingerprints, face recognition, and also some of our mobile applications that we are having in the market, and we are also releasing very soon. Many people have asked us already, FlexiWare spelled very wrongly, spelled F-L-E-X-Y and not with an I, and people ask, why did we go that route? Many years ago, due to all the political circumstances, specifically in South Africa, it was very difficult to get a consulting job going. And at the time, I remember very well being stuck without an income for roughly 9 months. And it occurred to me that we have to be a bit more flexible on how we write and deliver software, and specifically make it maintainable. So I still remember registering a website or a domain at the time, and one of the domains I was looking for was FlexiWare, spelled with an I, which was not available. And a thought just occurred, but let's be flexible and spell it with an Y. And we registered that domain, and the rest has been history. During these videos, we will also be speaking to some of our clients. We'll introduce our partners, and also expose some of their products and services, specifically where FlexiWare has played a role and has been actively involved in. It's very exciting. We are proud of what we established over roughly 25 years, and we look forward to sharing all of this with you. So if you want to know more about it, press the subscribe button and look out and be notified early when the next video is released.